Hello everyone. I have prepared this dictation of 500 words at the speed of 90 words per minute. If you guys practice this thoroughly and sincerely, then the required speed of 80 words per minute for Rajasthan District Code exam will definitely seem very easy to write. Practice this passage multiple times to gain perfection. All the best.
Quintessential facts necessary for adjudication of controversy involved in the present appeal are that the appellant participated in National Entrance Cum Eligibility Test UG 2015 bracket start hereinafter read as NEET UG 2015 bracket close and secured 610 marks full stop. Appellant secured all India rank at serial number 5160 full stop. Thereafter, the appellant was permitted to appear in the counseling process for admission, and in the first round of counseling he was allotted Government Medical College Jalore, where he submitted all his certificates, documents and credentials full stop. As pleaded in the petition, in the second round of counseling, the appellant was allotted Government Medical College Udaipur by way of upgradation, whereafter he deposited the requisite fee in the Government Medical College Udaipur full stop stanza. However, the principal Government Medical College Udaipur did not allow him to join full stop, while his letter dated 11 February 2015 addressed to the chairman NEET UG State Counseling Board principal sought appropriate direction and guidance regarding appellant writ petitioner's eligibility by highlighting that the appellant had studied biology in 12th class alone and therefore, as per the eligibility criteria stated in the information booklet, he was not eligible for admission full stop. A reminder was sent to him on 11 March 2015 again highlighting that biology subject was not listed as a subject in the mark sheet of class 11th, whereas the eligibility criteria required study for 2 years in the subject of biology full stop. As the appellant was denied admission, he approached this court by filing writ petition on the ground that the appellant writ petitioner had a brilliant academic record and he passed class 11th examination with core subjects of physics, chemistry, and in the electives he had studied and passed in the subjects of mathematics and Hindi full stop. In the senior secondary examination 2014, the appellant writ petitioner had opted Hindi and English as compulsory subjects, whereas he had taken physics, chemistry, and biology as optional subject, and as an additional he had also taken mathematics full stop stanza. He passed in senior secondary examination full stop. On such factual assertion, the appellant writ petitioner claimed that since he had studied biology as an optional subject in 12th class, he was entitled to be declared eligible even if he had not taken biology as a compulsory or optional subject in 11th class full stop. The relief sought in the writ petition was opposed by the respondents mainly on the ground that the eligibility criteria clearly stated that in order to be eligible, a candidate must have studied biology in both 11th and 12th class full stop. The appellant writ petitioner having taken biology as subject only in class 12th and not in class 11th, he was not eligible, full stop. Learned single judge by impugned order held that among other requirements, last 2 years of study at the senior secondary level requires study in the subject of biology, and as the appellant writ petitioner had studied and passed in biology only in 12th class, he was not eligible, full stop. Learned counsel appearing for National Medical Commission would argue that none of the decisions relied upon by the appellant writ petitioner decided the issue as in the present case, full stop.